Okay, let's look at example 1. Earth is rotating about its axis. What is its angular speed in radian per second? Okay, so we need to calculate the angular speed of the Earth. Okay, so we know that, okay, for the Earth to complete one rotation ataupun one revolution, okay, it will take 24 hours. Okay, bumi mengambil masa 24 jam untuk complete satu rotation. So, in order to find the angular speed, okay, keluarkan formula untuk angular speed which is sama dengan theta divided by the time. Okay, since dia minta in radian per second, so theta dekat sini must be in radian dan time dekat sini must be in second. So, kalau dalam radian, okay, kita kena ubahlah. Kita tahu one revolution bersamaan dengan 360 degree, also sama dengan 2 pi radian. Okay, so here you need to substitute 2 pi radian and divided by the time. Time must be in second. So 24 jam ubah kepada second, which is kena darab dengan 3600. So angular velocity sama dengan 7.27 exponent negative 5 radian per second. Okay, so next one, example 2. A car travel around circular path of circle of radius 5 meter at rate of 60 revolution per minute. Okay, RPM here is revolution per minute. Find its angular speed in radian per second and its linear speed around the circle. Okay, so we want to find the angular speed, which is omega, but in radian per second. So basically this one, RPM, revolution per minute ni adalah sama juga dengan angular speed, tetapi unit yang berbeza. So now kita mau cari dalam unit radian per second. So this one is actually the omega, this one is the radius. So kita mau cari in radian per second. So just convert sahaja. So 60 revolution per minute, we want to convert to radian per second. So remember, one revolution is equal to 2 pi radian and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So just darab saja macam biasa. 60 times 2 pi divided by 60. So this one, okay, akan cancel. So dapat 2 pi radian per second, ataupun kamu kenal leave it the question in terms of point. So kamu akan dapat 6.28 radian per second. Okay, kedua-dua jawapan, if you want to leave it as 2 pi pun boleh, 6.28 pun boleh, tapi hanya untuk omega sahaja. Okay, so next one is the linear speed. Okay, value for V. Okay, so V kita tahu adalah sama dengan R omega. So kita sudah ada omega kan. Radius sama dengan 5 meter. Omega must be in radian per second ya. So omega dekat sini kita kena guna radian per second. Sebab velocity or speed, we know that the unit is meter per second. So you just masukkan, tekan calculator and you get velocity is 31.42 meter per second. Okay, last one, example 3. An object undergoes circular motion with uniform angular speed of 100 rpm. Calculate the period and the frequency. So we are given the omega, okay, 100 rpm, and then question asks what is value for t and what is value for frequency. So this one is very straightforward. Kita gunakan information yang kita ada, which is omega, dan kita tahu omega adalah sama dengan 2 pi f, also sama dengan 2 pi over t. So we can use the value for omega here, and then to find f and t. But before that, you need to change this one to radian per second sebab the SI unit for period adalah second and frequency adalah per second. So you need to convert this one to radian per second, which is times 2 pi divided by 60. So you will have 10.47 radian per second. So dekat sini bolehlah masukkan omega is equal to 2 pi over t. So kamu akan dapat value untuk t sama dengan 0.6 second. And then untuk f pula, frequency, kamu akan dapat, okay, just masukkan f will be equal to 1.67 Hz ataupun mau letak per second pun boleh.